In Western New York, a homeowner approached us with an intriguing idea to clear the ash trees and white pines from their expansive backyard and transform the space into one of the world's most recognizable par-3s, the 12th at Augusta. Totaling 28,000 square feet, this was a large-scale project that involved not just clearing and reshaping the land, installing drainage, and recreating the iconic features of the 12th at Augusta, but also the use of the Dave Peltz shot stopper system to ensure that the green plays exactly like a real green.
Your first thought is, oh, wow, 12th of Augusta replica. That's a unique project, and that's one we want to be involved in because we know we have the capabilities to make this the best it can be. And that's what SYNLawn brings to the table. We've had many contractors collaborating on this, from the site work, the stone work, and now we're here to be the turf specialists and do our part and kind of put the finish on this that's going to bring the whole thing to life.
What we're doing here is a 3,200 square foot putting green, bunker in the front, and 2 bunkers in the back of it. The turf in the bunkers is going to be a white turf, so it's not going to be sand, but it's going to look like sand and it's going to play like sand. We've got the mounding behind it even, and the contouring is all inspired by the 12th green at Augusta. We're putting in the shot stopper green right now.
Shot stopper allows us to create a synthetic putting green surface to behave like a real golf green.
Many tournaments have been lost here on this hole. It requires a precise shot.
Several teams of contractors came together to create this eye-catching installation that not only looks like the 12th at Augusta, but provides a realistic experience of playing the hole.
We just had all of the resources to be able to come into this project and know that we could deliver a very successful, completed finish.
We're not afraid to talk and get into your backyard on your project. We want to be involved. We want to satisfy the customer in their dreams and aspirations for their property.
In the homeowner's own words, if I had to change anything, I wouldn't change a single thing.